A South Korean court issued an arrest warrant for impeached President Yoon Suk Yeol on Tuesday, who faces a criminal investigation for possible insurrection after declaring martial law on December the 3rd. Yoon's lawyer called the warrant invalid, while supporters and opponents rallied near his residence in Seoul. Some residents called the warrant late but fortunate. Diptanshu Kashyap has more.
After being impeached and suspended from power for imposing martial law on 3rd December, South Korean President Yoon Suk Yeol's troubles keep mounting as he now faces an arrest warrant approved by a court on Tuesday. This marks the first ever arrest warrant issued for an incumbent president. Yoon is under investigation for possible insurrection charges, and the court also approved a search warrant for his residence. Opponents outside his home in Seoul are baying for action.
The investigative authorities have issued a summons request, but it has been ignored. As a result, they have obtained an arrest warrant and are proceeding with the arrest. However, even regarding this arrest warrant, Yoon Suk Yeol, who is accused of treason, claims it is illegal and refuses to acknowledge it. Therefore, it is imperative that this arrest warrant is executed and that this individual faces legal consequences.
Supporters of the warrant believe Yoon should have been arrested much sooner for his actions.
Despite repeated summons, President Yoon Suk Yeol has refused to attend, which makes it worse. I believe he should have been arrested when he declared martial law, as it was illegal. Although it feels late, I think the warrant is at least fortunate.
In response, Yoon's lawyer stated that his client's martial law declaration did not constitute insurrection and called the arrest warrant invalid. It remains unclear when or how the warrant will be executed.
The declaration of martial law is a power granted to the president under the Constitution. The president exercised this authority legitimately as part of their duty to protect the constitutional order of the nation.
Even Yoon's supporters expressed their support for the embattled president and opposed the arrest warrant.
The arrest warrant for President Yoon Suk Yeol is invalid. I came here to oppose the execution of the warrant. There are a lot of people supporting President Yoon Suk Yeol. So, us and many civic group leaders are gathered here to support.
Now let's understand the legal implications of the case. What next for impeached president? The current arrest warrant is viable until the 6th of January. It gives investigators only 48 hours to hold Yoon after he is arrested. Investigators must then decide whether to request a detention warrant or release him. The district court issued the warrant due to the likelihood that Yoon will not respond to summons without a justifiable reason. Once a celebrated public prosecutor known for his anti-corruption efforts, Yoon rose to the presidency in just a few years. However, his tenure has been marred by repeated scandals, culminating in the chaos of declaring martial law and sending troops and helicopters to the parliament, marking a dramatic fall from grace. Tanshu Kashyap's report for DD India.